Hey everyone, welcome back to Loan Wealth Academy. If you've been trying to get a loan in the United States, but keep getting rejected because of a low credit score, this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. A lot of people believe that having bad credit means you can't get a loan at all, but that's not entirely true. The reality is, you just need to understand how the system works and what lenders are actually looking for in this video. I'm going to walk you through how to get a loan even if you have bad credit, what options are available to you, and what you should do to increase your chances of approval. I'll also share some important mistakes you need to avoid because one wrong move can make things even harder. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the most important question. What exactly is considered bad credit? In the United States, your credit score usually ranges from 300 to 850. If your score is below 600, it is generally considered low or bad credit. This tells lenders that you may have missed payments in the past or that you're carrying too much debt. Now, here's the key thing you need to understand. Lenders are not just rejecting you because they don't want to give you money. They are trying to manage risk. If your credit score is low, they see you as a higher risk borrower. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. There are actually several ways you can still get a loan, even with bad credit. The first option is to apply with lenders that specialize in bad credit loans. These lenders are more flexible and understand that not everyone has a perfect financial history. However, you need to be careful because these loans often come with higher interest rates. The second option is to apply with a cosigner. A cosigner is someone with a good credit score who agrees to take responsibility for the loan if you fail to repay it. This significantly increases your chances of approval because it reduces the lender's risk. The third option is to consider secured loans. In this case, you provide collateral, such as a car or savings account, because the lender has something to fall back on. They may be more willing to approve your application. Now, before you apply for any loan, there are a few things you should do to improve your chances. The first thing is to check your credit report. Many people skip this step, but it's extremely important. Your report may contain errors that are lowering your score. If you find any mistakes, you can dispute them and potentially increase your score. The second thing is to reduce your existing debt. Even paying off a small portion of your credit card balance can make a difference. Lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, so lowering your debt improves your profile. The third thing is to show proof of stable income. Even if your credit score is low, having a steady income can make lenders more confident in your ability to repay the loan. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make when applying for loans with bad credit. One major mistake is applying everywhere at once. This can damage your credit score even further because of multiple hard inquiries. Another mistake is accepting the first offer without comparing other options. Some lenders take advantage of bad credit borrowers by offering extremely high interest rates. And one more mistake is ignoring the total cost of the loan. A low monthly payment might look attractive, but if the interest rate is high, you could end up paying much more in the long run. Now, let me give you a simple step-by-step process you can follow. First, check your credit score and report. Second, decide how much money you actually need. Third, look for lenders that work with bad credit borrowers. Fourth, check if they offer pre-qualification so you can compare options safely. Fifth, apply carefully and submit accurate information. And finally, once you're approved, make sure you repay on time to start rebuilding your credit. Because here's the good news. Getting a loan with bad credit is not just about borrowing money. It's also an opportunity to improve your financial future. If you manage the loan responsibly, you can actually increase your credit score over time and qualify for better loans in the future. So don't think of bad credit as the end. Think of it as a starting point. If you follow the steps in this video and avoid common mistakes, you can still get approved and move forward financially. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart finance tips. And let me know in the comments if you want a video on how to fix your credit score fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.